Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting. Friends, in this video guys I will show you guys how can you turn on your aeroplane mode. Friends, you want to turn on guys your aeroplane mode in your oppo phone. So friends, how can you on it? In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you guys, if you need my channel, so then first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like my video friends. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to turn on our aeroplane mode friends. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your oppo phone. So guys, click on guys this connection and sharing option friends, tap here, and guys you can see your airplane mode. So guys, you can turn on your airplane mode. After on guys, you can see this icon on your screen oppo phone. So as your airplane mode will on, then guys you cannot on guys your mobile data and guys Wi-Fi network guys. You can guys use guys only download things like download games, movies, song, you can use it. So I hope friends you have understood how to turn on aeroplane mode in our oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.